Hello students, today we are going to discuss the substitution reaction students. Okay, this is the NCERT book only student, NCERT grade 11, and if you talk about the page number student, this is the volume 2, and if you talk about the page number, it is something 372. Now students, if you talk about the substitution reaction, this is also in other word you can say that is replacement reaction. Replacement reaction. Okay. One or more hydrogen atom of alkanes can be replaced by halogen. One or more hydrogen atoms of alkanes can be replaced by halogen, nitro group and sulfonic acid group. So that is what if you are replacing the hydrogen, okay, by the halogen or nitro group or sulfonic acid group, the reaction is known as substitution reaction. Now you see, halogenation takes place either at high temperature 573 to 773 or in the presence of diffuse sunlight or ultraviolet light. Lower alkanes do not undergo nitration and sulfonation reaction. These reactions in which hydrogen atoms of alkanes are substituted are known as substitution reaction. The reaction in which hydrogen atoms of alkane are substituted are known as substitution reaction. As example, chlorination of methane is given below. So here is, if you are treating with methane with Cl2, it will giving that is CH3Cl NHCl. It means what, student? If you see, this is the methane, okay, and what you are going to substitute by the Cl atom. So one HCl is getting out in the presence of sunlight, so it is giving CH3Cl and HCl. So this is what is known as, student, chloromethane. Again, if you are taking chloromethane and treating with Cl2, it will give that is dichloromethane and HCl will release. Finally, if you are treating dichloromethane with Cl2, it will give trichloromethane and HCl. And in case of trichloromethane and Cl2, it is giving carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane and HCl. Okay. So in each of the case, every time one hydrogen atom is getting replaced, students. So it is found that the rate of reaction of alkanes with halogen is F2, Cl2, Br2 and I2, and rate of replacement of hydrogen of alkanes is 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. Fluorination is too violent to be controlled. Fluorination of alkane is too violent to be controlled. Iodination is very slow and reversible reaction. It can be carried out in the presence of oxidizing agent like HiO3 and HNO3. So iodination you can do with the help of iodic acid or the nitric acid. And fluorination is very fast volatile reaction that cannot be controlled, so we do not perform in the lab. So that is chlorination and bromination we do in the lab in the presence of sunlight. So CH4 plus I2, CH3I plus HI, and HiO3 plus 5HI, it is giving 3I2 plus 3H2. So halogenation is supposed to proceed by free radical chain mechanism involving 3 steps, namely initiation, propagation and termination. So the halogenation is the, what is, student? This is the halogenation is substitution reaction involving the free radical mechanism and involving in 3 steps, that is the chain initiation, chain propagation and chain termination. So if you talk about mechanism, this is the initiation step. So what is their initiation, student? The reaction is initiated by homolysis of chlorine molecule in the presence of light or heat. The Cl-Cl bond is weaker than the CCl and CH bond, and hence it is easiest to break. So Cl-Cl bond here, because of the lone pair electrons are there, high repulsion is there, friend. So it will get easily get broke. So if it is getting break, it will give the Cl free radical and Cl free radical. Propagation. Chlorine free radical attack the methane molecule and takes the reaction in forward direction by breaking the CH bond to generate methyl free radical with the formation of HCl. So one hydrogen and Cl is replacing HCl, and then as a result it is forming the methyl free radical. How the reaction is proceeding if you talk about? So here you can see that is hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So that is 2 electron and Cl free radical is there. This Cl free radical and this Cl free radical forming HCl. And what is left, students? CH3 free radical, this one. The methyl free radical thus obtained attack the second molecule of chlorine to form CH3Cl with the liberation of another chlorine free radical by homolysis of chlorine molecule. So you can say CH3 free radical, and here is attacked by the chlorine free radical. So it is forming CH3Cl and Cl free radical. The chlorine and methyl free radical generate above repeat step A and B respectively, and therefore set up a chain of reaction. The propagation step A and B are those which directly give principal products, but many other propagation steps are possible, and many occur. The two such steps given below explain how more halogenated products are formed. CH3Cl and Cl free radical, it will give that is CH2Cl and HCl. CH2Cl, this is again CH2C, Cl2 and Cl free radical. So this is all chain termination. The reaction is stopped after some time due to the consumption of reactant and due to the following side reaction. The possible chain termination steps are there. Cl free radical Cl, it is giving Cl2. CH3 free radical CH3, it will give CH3 CH3. CH3 free radical Cl, CH3 Cl. Though in CH3Cl, the one of the products is formed, but free radicals are consumed and the chain is terminated. The above mechanism help us to understand the reaction for the formation of ethane, formation of as a byproduct during the chlorination of methane. So this is all about the substitution reaction and its mechanism, student. Thank you so much for watching, friends.